Hello, Laura.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Evening.
How are you, Laura?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, that's nice. So, okay, so how was your day? What did you do in school today?
I'm learning
What did you learn?
English,
English. Okay.
and I have an exam today.
Oh, so what's your score? Did you get a good score?
I don't know.
You didn't see it yet?
Yes.
Okay, maybe when your teacher finished to check it, you will know your score, okay?
Okay.
But did you review before you had your exam?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight, Laura. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's wait. It's still loading. Okay, so are we finished with this one, Laura? Not yet.
No.
Okay. So this is Unit 44 on the sand and by the sea. Okay, so look at the pictures, Laura, and tell a story about it.
Um. Two children go to the beach and they playing. They they swim into the beach and they see many fish and sell.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But go up, you say their shirt is mm, in the shirt is water, many water,
Okay.
and they cold and sad
Mm-hmm. Why do you think they are cold and sad?
because the shirt they wear is have water.
Okay, because the shirt that they are wearing has a water.
Yes.
Okay, so let us see. Okay, so here is the story. So look at this pictures. They show a story. It's called The Wet T-Shirts. Okay, look at the first picture. Sam and his brother Nick are at the beach. Their clothes are on the sand by the sea. Sam and Nick are playing football. Okay. So here, let's have number two pictures. So what are the boys doing on the second picture, Laura?
Swimming.
Yes, they are swimming. What are they looking for?
Sell
What are they looking for?
sell
Shells. Okay, they're looking for some shells under the water. Okay, now let's go to picture number three. What are Sam and Nick doing now?
um But sir, in the water.
Again. What
The
are Sam
third
and Nick?
bird his shirt under the water.
Oh, their shirts are under the water. Okay. So the answer here is they are just first sitting on some rocks. Okay, so what is Nick taking from the water?
In the water have his shirt.
Oh, okay, an orange t-shirt. So he is picking up his t-shirt on the water. Okay, so picture number 4. What are Sam and Nick doing now?
Stand in the bus stop.
Yes, they are standing next to a bus stop or waiting for a bus. Where are they going?
Go to the house.
Yes, they're going home or they're going in their house. Okay, so very good, Laura. Now let's have the activity letter B. Complete the sentences about a story. Write 1, 2, or 3 words. So the story is titled The Wet T-Shirts. Okay, so start reading now, Laura.
Last Tuesday, Sam and his brother Nick went to the beach. They put their towel and coat down on the sand and played football. Then they ran and jumped into the water.
Okay,
The
so
boys swam.
example. Oh, wait, let's read first the example. Nick has a brother called Sam. Before their swim, answer first, number 1. Before their swim, the boys had a game of,
Playing football.
okay, football. Number 2. After their game, the boys blank into the sea.
Jumping into the sea.
Okay, ran and jumped into the sea. That's correct. Okay, continue reading.
The boys swam under the water to look for sea animal. Then they swam back up again and climbed onto some rock. They sat there and watched the sailing boat. Then they saw something orange in the water by their feet. He picked it up and said, "Look, it's your orange t-shirt, Sam. You put into near to the sea."
Okay, so question number 3. Nick and Sam looked for sea animals and blank.
And sail in the sea, in the water.
And shells in the water. Okay, number 4. Then the boys sat on a rock to watch.
To watch the sailing boat.
The sailing boats. Okay, number 5. Nick saw Sam's blank in the sea.
Shirt.
Shirt. Very good. Okay, so 5 points in this part. All right, so continue reading the story, Laura.
The boy lost their off there.
No. Story
Then they
first.
saw this green t-shirt in the sea too and said, "Quick, Sam, get it for me." The brothers swam back to the beach with their wet t-shirts. When they got there, only one of their shoes and on the sand. We put too near the sea too, Sam said. They walked to the bus stop in their wet clothes and then caught a bus home. When they told their parent about their mom said, "You must be more careful, but we happy that you bought self that app."
Okay. So question number 6. The boys lost 3 of their blank in the water.
Wear t-shirt.
Shoes. Okay, on number 7. Nick and Sam stood by a blank to wait for their bus. Where did they stood while waiting for the bus?
Mm, parent.
Again, where did they
No.
stood?
Sto bus
Bus.
stop.
Okay, bus stop. Next, number 8. Their parents were happy because the boys were blank.
Mm,
Where? Because the boys were
mm, boss self.
safe or both safe. Okay, very good. Okay, so you got how many points here? 5 plus 2. Okay, so you got 7 points.
100 người, 100
Okay, so now let's have activity letter C. Read the sentences and find the answers in the story. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so I will read and then you say your answer. Okay, Laura?
Okay.
Number 1 is an example. After a swim, you can dry your body with this. So the answer is a towel. Number 2, t-shirts, trousers, and skirts are examples of this.
So
Clothes. Okay, number 3. This is under your feet when you walk on a beach.
a shoe.
Shoes? No, it's a sand. Of course, when you walk to the beach, there is a sand, right? Next one. You can climb up or onto these. They are often gray.
Stand.
Stair? No.
I don't know.
The answer is rock. You can climb up. Okay, it's color gray. Next one. You need a ticket to travel on this in town.
Cinema.
To travel. You need a ticket to travel on this in town.
A bus stop. A bus.
Yes, a bus. That is correct. Next one. These people are your mother and your father.
Family.
No,
Um.
mother and father only.
Son.
No. What do you call your mother and father? Starts in letter P.
B.
P as in pig.
Hai người về Việt Nam đi bị nghén đó, nhưng mà nó được đưa một cái phát hiện nên nó đỡ, nhưng mà cái vợ tiếp viên này nó tiếp xúc với những người đó, thì những bọn tiếp viên tiếp xúc với lần chuyến bay này nó phải bị cách ly, và thằng này nó lại không cách ly, thì cách ly mấy ngày rồi nó lại
Parent.
Yes, parents. That is correct. Clothes, sand, rock, bus, and parents. Okay, so 3 points. Okay, next one. Let's talk about you and the beach. Okay, so do you live near a beach, Laura?
No.
So where do you live near? What is the nearest place in your house?
Market.
Market. Okay. So is the beach very far from your house?
No.
Is it near your house, or is it far?
Far.
Okay, so it means you have to travel going to the beach. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so next one. Are you good at swimming?
I don't know.
Why? But do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So it means that if you know how to swim, it means you are a good swimmer. Okay. Next one. When do you go to the beach? When do you go to the beach, or people go to the beach?
I don't know.
Oh, do you go in the beach during winter? Rainy season? What do you think?
I don't know.
Of course, you go to the beach when it's summer or when it's a sunny day, right? Because
Yes.
it's very hot, so you have to freshen up yourself. That's why people usually goes to the beach. Okay, number 4. What things do you or does people like doing on the beach?
Swim.
What else aside from swimming?
Make a sandcastle.
Okay.
Playing on the sand.
What else? Swimming, playing on the sand.
Finished.
Okay, and then also, people likes having picnic on the beach, right? They love eating.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So when you go to the beach, Laura, what are the things that you often do there?
Swim.
Swim.
Yes.
Okay. So you just swim all day?
No.
Or what? Aside from swimming, what else do you do there?
Mm, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. So do you still do you also play or make sandcastles?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one, number 5. What's better? What do you think is better? Swimming in the sea or swimming in the swimming pool?
Swimming in a swimming pool
Okay, why? Why do you like swimming in a swimming pool rather swimming in the sea?
because I don't like sand.
You don't like sand? Why?
Because it's I don't know.
Me too. You know what? I prefer swimming in the swimming pool rather in the sea because I think it's much safer to swim in a swimming pool, right?
Yes.
And also, um yeah, because well, some kids like playing in the sand, but in the swimming pool there's no sand, right?
Yes.
Okay, our next one. What is your favorite sea animal? Fish, shark, whale, or dolphin?
Mm, well, a fish
Fish. Okay, why do you like fish?
because fish has many color and that
Mm-hmm.
is very cute.
And they are cute.
Yes,
And they are small also. Why? Why don't you like dolphins? They're cute too.
because it's so big.
It's big, but you know what? Dolphins are very talented, right?
Yes.
Some dolphins, we were able to watch them on a dolphin show. They dance, they sing, they count, something like that. Okay, next one. Are you frightened of any sea animal? Which one? It means are you afraid or are you scared?
Yes.
Hmm? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so what animals are you afraid of?
What?
What animals are you afraid of?
A fish.
Fish? You're afraid of fish?
And what? I don't know that name.
Why? Are you afraid of a shark?
No.
No?
No.
How about crocodile?
No.
You're not afraid? So what sea animals are you afraid?
Any animal. Any animal.
Any animal, okay. Okay, so now let's have this activity. Letter D. Read the sentences. Write words which mean the same. Okay, so you can choose your answer from the pictures, okay? So number 1, take something off the floor. What do you mean by that? What do you think is that word? What do you think is that word?
I don't know.
Take something off the floor. Oh, it's 4 letters. Wait a minute, Laura. Okay, so what do you think is this word, Laura? You look at the picture in number 1, the first picture. Take something off the floor. What do you think is that word? What do you think is that word? So it has 4 letters. The first letter is you can see the first letter. It's letter P. So what do you think is that next one? Okay, so you don't know the answer. I will give the first one as a clue, okay?
Okay.
Oh, here. Oh. Oh, here. Pick something up. That is the answer in number 1. Oh, how about number 2? Have a swim. Have a swim. What do you think is the second word? Blank, blank. Blank, blank, a swim.
I don't know.
Okay, this is go for a swim. On number 3, take a bus. What do you think is that? Take a bus.
I don't know.
Okay, this is catch a bus. Oh, next one, go for a walk.
I
Go
don't
for a
know.
walk. Is this hard?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I think it's quite difficult activity. Okay, I will show you the answers, but I'm not going to count this one as an activity, okay? Because this one is kind of difficult. Okay, so I will read the first one and then you say the answer, okay? Okay,
Okay.
number 1. Take something off the floor.
Pick something up.
Have a swim.
Go for a swim.
Take a bus.
Catch a bus.
Go for a walk.
Have a walk.
Put on your clothes.
Get dressed.
That's wrong. That is get dressed. ED at the end. Okay, next. Go to the shops.
Go shopping.
Okay. Now, let's have this one. Find 10 more pairs and draw a line. Wait a minute. Let's see. This is called on the sand and by the sea. Can you think of another word that sounds like sea but means something different? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it means you're going to choose 2 words that sound like the same.
Okay.
Okay? Put a line on your answer. Are you finished?
I'm finished.
All right, so let us see. Now, can you read the can you say the pairs of words that you have chosen?
Pair, par. I.
Mm-hmm.
What? And a. No.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
C.
Again?
Sun Song.
C. Okay.
Sun Song.
Mm-hmm.
4.
4. Okay.
Red, right.
Red. Red. Okay.
Finish.
What else?
Finish.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so let us see the answers, okay? So, right, I, pair, where, read, red, son, eight, no, Ar- aunt, 4. Very good, Laura. Okay, let us put it. Oh, what happened? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 10 points for you. Okay, so next one. Oh, what's happening? My computer is. Okay, find the differences between the pictures. Oh, you circle first your answer.
I'm finished.
Okay, so now explain your answers.
Picture 1, the dolphin is jumping, but picture 2, the dolphin not jumping.
Mm-hmm.
Picture 1, the cloud is long, but picture 2, the cloud is short. Picture 1 have 2 girls, but picture 2 have 3 girls. Picture 1, 2 boy is sit, but picture 2 boy is sand. But picture 1, the boy is wearing one paper, but picture 2, the boy wearing a ball. Picture 1, a mat is purple and yellow, but picture 2, the mat is pink and blue.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, so let us see. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. So the first one, the man and the boy are looking at a shell. While in the second picture, they are playing a beach ball. So next, the towel is purple and yellow, but the other one is blue and pink. Next, the hat is on the boy's head, and the next picture, it's on the sand. 4, there is a dolphin, and the next one, there is a whale. Okay, very good. Because all the things that you have said are correct. So I will give you 5 points. Okay, so now let's have this activity. Play the game. Let's find A to Z. So look again at all the words in the story and find words that begin with as many different letters of the alphabet as possible. You could also look at the find the differences pictures and find words to describe what you can see in there as well. Write your words in alphabetical order in your notebooks. Okay. So, Laura, we are going back here. Wait a minute. And then you have to tell me words that starts in letter A to Z, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's go back to the story. Okay, so let's begin here. Okay, tell me words that start in letter A to Z. Start with letter A.
And
What's letter A?
and
And. B.
brother.
C.
B brother and both.
Okay, very good. C.
C don't have C.
Are you sure?
Cell. No.
No, letter C. You can also look at the
Car.
story.
Car.
Clothes. Okay. Next. D.
E. E.
What's letter D?
Down.
Down. E.
E is E. I don't have E.
You don't have E? Okay, let's move to the next page. Letter E. No letter E?
No.
This one.
E. Don't have E.
Yeah, don't have E again. This one. E.
E.
Don't have?
No.
Wait a
Don't
minute.
have to have.
Hey, here. Letter E.
I.
Okay, F.
8.
How about letter F?
F. 4.
Okay, G.
4. G.
There's no G there. Here, letter G.
Go.
Go. H.
Have.
Okay. I.
I.
J. No J there. Okay, there's no J again. Let's move. Here, letter J.
No.
No J. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, here, letter J.
J. I don't see J.
You don't see J? Okay.
No.
Okay, so let's continue this activity again, Laura, on Friday, okay? Don't forget, we stopped in letter J, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so goodbye, Laura. See you again on Friday.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Good night.